How to win races in Sonic Rumble. First of all, open the game on your device and tap on play to start a race. Your main goal in Sonic Rumble is to reach the finish line before your opponents while avoiding traps, gaps, and other obstacles along the way. Winning races not only boosts your ranking but also helps you earn more rings, rewards, and experience points. To increase your chances of winning, always focus on timing and movement control. Use the on-screen joystick to move and the jump button to leap over obstacles. Perfect timing is key. Jumping too early or too late can slow you down or even cause you to fall off the track. Practice your timing to master each level's pattern and pace. Next, pay attention to your surroundings. Every stage in Sonic Rumble is filled with unique challenges such as moving platform, swinging hammers, and sudden traps. Learn how each map works by observing the environment and reacting quickly to new obstacles. The more you play, the better you will get at predicting what comes next. Finally, stay calm and consistent. Even if you fall behind during the race, don't give up. Other players often make mistakes too. Keep your focus, stay on track, and take every opportunity to move ahead when others slow down or fall. Now you know how to win races in Sonic Rumble. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.